Hi, I'm Sophie and welcome to my world. Today I'm going to teach you how to take a paper clip and turn it into an adorable little ornament. That's right, we're going to be making little angel ornaments out of paper clips. I'm going to show you how to make one right now. For this project you will need 8 or 10 millimeter beads with holes that are as large as possible, butterfly clip, 1/8 or 1/4 inch ribbon, and scissors. So we're going to be using the 1/8 inch ribbon. If you've got a bead with a bigger hole, you can use the 1/2 inch ribbon. The one thing that is very, very important is you're going to cut your ribbon, and I'm going to give myself a goodly amount, about 18 inches here. You really want to cut this so that you can get the sharpest point possible. So I'm going to be cutting it at an angle as far down as I possibly can, because what I'm trying to do is almost make it like a piece of thread, because I need to thread it through that tiny little hole in the bead. So once again, on both sides you want to do this. As thin as I possibly can make it is what I want to try to do. So I've made that on an angle and made that on an angle. Now what I'm going to do is take my ribbon and I'm going to feed it through the part where the two wings meet. So see right where the triangle is there? I'm going to put this through the triangle, push it on through, and pull one end all the way through so that I can tie this in a knot. And I want to tie it up and over that wing. I don't want it to slide over like it just did there. I want to tie it right in the middle there, and I want to tie a good knot. Good solid knot. Right in the center, right where those two wings meet. Now I'm going to take the bead and I'm going to feed that end. Now this is why you can see how tiny that hole is? I need to feed this through and feed the other end through so that both ends of this ribbon pop out end of that hole, so that we can pull both ends through all the way like that. Then you just get the little head right there and take those two ribbons and wrap them around your finger and tie off a little knot. And then you can just cut the excess off here once you have that tied off. You can tie it twice just to make sure. Tie that off really good. Snip right there. And there's your little angel. Now if you want to, you can use wire, or you can use thicker ribbon, but this is the easiest way that I've found possible. And there you have it, a paper clip turned into a super cute ornament. I think that these would be great on presents, don't you? For more fun ideas, check us out at Sophie-World.com.